found out about Diana's background, I was really deeply happy that we were able to do something about that to change her life. I have a deep passion for giving back to the community, especially when it's a veteran. They have a special part in my heart. I'm a father of 3, and all 3 of my children have served in the military.
The Veterans Service Bureau reached out to me to let me know that there was a car available and asked me if I knew any veterans. It was a no-brainer. It was really easy. I nominated Diana immediately because I knew what they were going through.
People don't realize that having a car, people could take it for granted, not realizing how dependable we become on having a vehicle. It has been challenging, especially with the heat. And I'm not 100% familiar with up here. My oldest and we moved up here to Albany just last year, so all this is very new to us.
When she first came to us, there was so much sadness and she was so unsure and afraid.
Not knowing where we can turn to, who would be willing to help. So to actually receive this help, it's just a really big surprise, and to know there's people out there who do care and willing to help others.
I'm going to present Diana with a GMC Envoy. It's an amazing car. 1-800 Charities did a fantastic job in picking it out. I'm looking forward to seeing the expression on her face to receive this vehicle. Diana, on behalf of the Midas Albany team and our friends at Advanced Auto Parts, please accept this beautiful GMC Envoy, and as part of Project Spark at Midas.
Thank you.
It makes me feel great to be able to participate in something like this, to give back to family in need. I'm all for that. It feels good to be a part of it.
When I heard about Diana's story, it kind of hit a spot because my family comes from the military as well, and I know what it's like not being able to be around your loved ones.
We no longer need to worry about how we're going to accomplish of going somewhere for the day. How am I going to get the baby to an appointment? It allows us to be able to get out of the house and not just be stuck in here.
We as Midas couldn't have done this without the support of Advanced Auto. Chip Raven from United Auto had that vehicle brought here, no problems at all. And then 2 Precise Detailing came in, stayed here till 10 o'clock at night to make sure this vehicle looked pretty as can be for Diana.
This is an amazing gift that they're providing to my family, and I just forever grateful.